We are all expecting significant change in the Nothing Phone 3 series on March 4th, but so far the leaks have been quite different. First of all, it seems that a Pro version will replace the Plus version, and this change is happening after just one generation. And the interesting point is that, apart from the name, there won't be any other major change. Moving on, in the new series, this phone will feature a large 6.8-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and powered by the Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chipset. But honestly, why is the display so large? Additionally, for the first time, the rear panel will have 3 lenses. We will experience a telephoto sensor on the Nothing Phone 3A and Pro. According to the leaks, it will feature a 50MP telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom, paired with a 50MP main lens. There will also be an 8MP ultrawide lens, which was 50MP in the previous generation. The selfie lens, it's still a 32MP camera, just like the previous generation, with no significant change. Also, according to the photos, this phone is in a thick protective case, and if the leaks are accurate, the Nothing Phone 3 series will come with Nothing OS 3.1 on top of Android 15. Thankfully, the NFC feature has not been removed and will be available on this device. However, like the previous generation, it will still support 45-watt wired charging. The device will be powered by a 5000 mAh battery. On the back panel, there will be Glyph lights, which are likely to be around the lenses, but it's not fully confirmed yet. Just like its predecessor, the rear panel and frame of the device are made of plastic, and the IP54 rating will be included in the 3rd generation Nothing Phone. As for the RAM options, the standard version will come in 8 with 128GB and 12 with 256GB, while the Pro version will only include 12 with 256GB. It's worth mentioning that there will be no microSD slot just like the last year. As for the price, nothing is confirmed yet, but it is expected that the 3A version will be cheaper than the Pro. Overall, based on the leaks, the 3rd generation of the Nothing Phone doesn't seem to have many differences compared to the previous generation, and we were expecting bigger improvements. But it's too early to judge at this point. We need to wait for more leaks and information to come in. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop them in the comments and don't forget to subscribe.